Drones everywhere, and now they're coming in different shapes, sizes, speeds, and configurations. The latest one comes from Pakistan. We show you what we know so far. This is Al Jazeera. Military technology is evolving rapidly, shifting from traditional warfare to advanced unmanned systems. Recently, Pakistan showcased a new drone, the Al-Murtajis, during a national display. What do we know about it? How does it compare to global trends? Let's analyze the facts. Wars were once fought with sheer numbers, but today, precision and automation dominate. Drones, like Turkey's Bayraktar, TB2, and China's Winglong have changed battlefield dynamics. Now, Pakistan's Al-Murtajis enters the conversation. It was displayed during the Pakistan Day parade on March, and reportedly a ground-launched interceptor designed to counter high-speed threats. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. It looks like a scaled-up version of the MQ-9 Reaper, but details are scarce. Defense analysts are piecing together clues from the display. Here's what we're looking at. First, the overall design. Looks like a typical drone with a flying wing configuration, but that's where similarities with other drones end. There are hints at some unique features. One is turbojet propulsion. That means it can fly faster than propeller-driven drones, crucial for intercept missions. Another is folding wings, suggesting compact storage and rapid deployment, and it has a low radar signature, pointing to potential stealth capabilities. The primary role reportedly cruise missile defense and strike missions beyond visual range. Similar systems are used by militaries like China, Israel, and the United States. The drone's placement in the parade with other indigenously developed defense systems further emphasizes this focus. So how does it fit into Pakistan's broader drone strategy? It seems to align with a growing global trend, man and machine teaming, or MUMT. This concept is about using piloted aircraft like Pakistan's JF-17 fighter jets to direct AI-powered drones. Think of it as a team effort, where the pilot operates the drone like an extra set of eyes and hands. But why is this important? Because it allows the aircraft and the drone to perform tasks together as a single unit. This way, the drone can focus on tricky jobs like hunting down and destroying targets while staying hidden from the enemy. At the same time, the pilot can keep an eye on the bigger picture, making sure everything stays safe and on track. In simple terms, the drone does the dangerous work, giving the pilot more options and making sure everyone stays as safe as possible. This teaming approach is a big shift in how militaries operate. It's all about using what's best for the job. So manned aircraft and drones each have their own strengths. By working together, they can make a powerful team on the battlefield. This strategy is a big deal because it lets the pilot stay safer and keeps more options open for important decisions. It's a win-win for modern air forces. Now let's look at another aspect. Decoys and swarm drones. They can help confuse the enemy, making it hard for them to figure out what's real and what's not. These disposable drones can be used to distract air defenses, gather intelligence without risking pilots or both. For instance, if the enemy has some really good radar systems, instead of sending a super expensive jet to check it out, they can use a decoy drone worth only a fraction of the price. The drone flies right into the enemy's radar, confusing it and making it think there's a real plane coming, but it's not really there. The enemy might waste valuable time and energy trying to shoot it down. Meanwhile, the real planes stay hidden and safe. And when they have to figure out which drone is real and which isn't, it adds another layer of complexity. They have to think about which drone will actually explode and which won't. It makes the whole thing even trickier. Plus, they have to worry about these unpiloted drones sticking around after being hit. It's like those annoying little brothers who just keep coming back no matter how many times you try to get rid of them. The drone's ability to keep going even after getting hit makes it harder for the enemy to defend themselves. It's like the drone has armor that protects it and gives it extra time to do its job. For example, the drone could keep flying after getting hit, maybe for about 5 minutes, which is enough time to find and destroy important targets. Even if the enemy manages to hit it again, the drone can still be useful. It might be damaged, but it can still share information until it runs out of power. This ability to keep working even when it's hurt makes it an annoying opponent for the enemy. So how effective are these swarm drones? Well, they're pretty successful against air defenses built for single planes. When there are a lot of drones coming in different directions, it's hard for those defenses to keep up. Some experts even say it's almost impossible to stop them. For example, a country like China uses smart chips and high-tech equipment to control its drones, making them super tough. That means they're harder to detect and block. Also, they have special parts that protect them from attacks. As a result, they have better results than regular drones. So if Pakistan's Al-Murtajis has these features, it would be a major boost to the country's air defense and attack plans. Plus, it could also help with spying and gathering intelligence. It's like having multiple secret agents that don't need oxygen or protection. They can sneak around and find out what the enemy is up to. The fact that they do have pilots on board makes them even more useful because they can go into dangerous places without putting anyone at risk. Overall, these swarm drones are like a big headache for the enemy. They make it hard to defend against attacks and spy on the enemy, all while keeping risks low. So what's the verdict on Pakistan's Al-Murtajis drone? It's too early for a comprehensive analysis due to limited information. However, available details paint an interesting picture. Pakistan's drone program appears to be progressing, focusing on speed, stealth, and networking capabilities, mirroring global trends in drone development. The Al-Murtajis' potential integration of AI and swarm tactics showcases a forward-thinking approach. Further developments will be monitored to assess its effectiveness and broader implications. The Al-Murtajis reflects broader shifts in defense technology, automation, stealth, and networked warfare. While full details remain undisclosed, its development signals Pakistan's investment in next-gen capabilities. In an era of great power competition, such advancements contribute to regional dynamics and global defense trends. As we wrap up, remember to engage with us on social media. Share your thoughts, insights, and questions. Your engagement helps us create more informative content. Don't forget to like this video for more expert analysis. Thanks for watching. Stay informed.